Good morning. It is Saturday, January 10th. Happy New Year's to you guys. It's Rene Enriquez, PMIelite. Just wanted to give you guys a quick service announcement in the real estate market, what's been happening. Like I said, it's Saturday. We're getting ready to go out and show some properties this morning to a couple potential buyers. We also have an open house this afternoon that we're going to be hosting here in Valencia. And so what's been happening? Well, in this last week, the real estate market, we've received some pretty good news. Obviously, the government investing some funds in bonds, and so that's going to ease up. Already started easing some of those rates. But prior to that, we've been seeing an improvement when it comes down to folks coming into the market and inquiring about mortgage applications and wanting to get some more information, wanting to get themselves ready to be able to purchase a residence here in 2026. So if you are a buyer in this market, our last couple of buyers, just between December and January, we were able to save them tons of, I would say thousands of dollars. In one transaction alone, I think it was about $30,000. And so we were able to identify a few opportunities in the market, a few properties that were probably just sitting around for a little bit longer than they should. And so we were able to capitalize on those. So I'm creating this video to let you know, if you're a buyer in this market, this is a perfect time to really consult with a mortgage professional, really figure out what your position is as a buyer, right? What is your purchasing power? What can you go out there and attain, whether it's going to be here in Q1, Q2, but get yourself ready, understand really what programs are out there. And instead of me creating a video, with a bunch of different mortgage options for you and different types of loans, just sit down with a mortgage professional. You can consult with me, no problem, but sit down with them, because not all mortgage programs are going to fit you individually. So consult with somebody, see what programs are out there, see what your qualifications look like, see what you're going to need in terms of cash. In some situations, you might not even need any cash to be a homeowner in today's market. So you might want to, again, consult with the mortgage professional. The second thing you might want to do is hire your own real estate professional. You want to make sure that you get somebody that's going to be aggressive, that understands the market, and most importantly, they're there to help you, not there just to get a commission check out of you. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure that somebody is going to take their time, really show you around, what are your best options, and compare them with you and be able to understand what your needs and wants are going to be here, not only for yourself, but for your family, when it comes down to schools, parks, et cetera, et cetera. So you might also want to be able to consult with a tax advisor. Super important to understand what would this mean for you in the long run, right? So coming from maybe renting a home and paying your taxes every single year, maybe you're a high earner and you're basically getting killed when it comes to tax season. So what would this mean for you if you do become a homeowner in this market, right? So definitely some savings there too as well. You might want to also get to know what areas you really want. Maybe you want to explore some other areas of Los Angeles. We're here in Santa Clarita Valley, but we travel all over Los Angeles and Ventura County. So look at your lifestyle, see what's important for you, and let's try to find you a place that really fits your needs. So for any questions at all, or you want some more information, so you want to sit down and you want to go over your qualification process, how to become a buyer in this market, I'll be more than happy to help you. We're not just only property managers or a real estate agent. I'm a broker myself. So we also offer lending. We do have some lending options. So feel free to get a hold of us and we'll be more than happy to help.